Google just turned Gemini into something most people did not see coming. It is not about asking better questions anymore. It is about Gemini actually doing the work inside the apps you already use. 14 new integrations just went live. That means your AI can now edit your website, pull meeting notes, book reservations, and coordinate events across platforms without you opening a single tab. And by the end of this video, I am going to show you the one integration that lets you update client websites in real time without touching the CMSA. That part changes everything for anyone offering web services. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete system for turning tools like Gemini into actual paying clients, step-by-step, my course. The 435 mistake is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. I'm Paul James. I teach solo operators and freelancers how to use AI tools to build service businesses without the subscription overhead. Here is what just shifted. Most automation platforms charge you monthly to connect apps and move data between them. Zapier starts at $20 a month for basic workflows. Professional plans run $50 to $100 a month. You are paying that before you have landed your first client. Google just made those same cross-app automations native inside Gemini. 14 new apps, free to use if you have access to Gemini. The subscription stack just got lighter for anyone starting from zero. What Google built here is not about Gemini getting smarter. It is about Gemini becoming an agent instead of a chatbot. You make the request. Gemini carries it out across connected apps. I call this the cross-app intelligence framework. Instead of managing 5 different platforms, you manage one interface that coordinates them all. Here's how the integrations actually work. You go into settings and help, then connected apps. Some accounts show it as personal intelligence. Same function. You will see a list of apps Gemini can now access. The new ones include Granola and Otter for meeting notes and transcriptions, Wix for website editing, Fever, Get Your Guide, Localiza, OpenTable, and Ticketmaster for travel and event planning, iHeartRadio and Pandora for music, Angie and Thumbtack for home services. You toggle each one on or off based on what you actually use. Once an app is connected, you tag it with the @ symbol in your prompt, at Wix, at Otter, at OpenTable. That tells Gemini which tool to pull from or push to. The permission model is explicit. Gemini does not touch your data until you give it access. Most workflow automation platforms bundle this into a paid tier. Here it is a free trigger. Think about what just changed for someone offering web design or maintenance services. Client asks for a homepage update. You open Gemini. You tell it to update the headline and hero image on the Wix site. You tag it Wix in the prompt. Gemini connects straight to your Wix site draft, stages the exact text and hero asset updates, and applies the changes across in seconds. That task used to require logging into the CMS, finding the right page, editing manually, previewing, publishing. With this stack, it is one prompt. The client sees the change immediately. You charge your normal fee. The tool costs you nothing to run. That is a $50 task built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. The meeting notes, integrations, Granola and Otter connect to something most solo operators skip because they think it requires enterprise software. Custom knowledge bases. You sit in on a client call, Otter transcribes it. Gemini pulls that transcript through the @Otter tag, summarizes the key points, generates the action items, and formats it into a follow-up email or internal doc. That workflow used to live inside platforms that charge you monthly for transcription, storage, and AI summary features. Most of those platforms start around $30 a month. Here you are, running the same capability through Gemini and a free Otter account. The output is identical. The monthly cost is $0. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. The event planning integrations, Fever, Get Your Guide, OpenTable, Ticketmaster, stack together to create a coordinated service. A local business wants to plan a client appreciation event. Venue, dinner, entertainment. You prompt Gemini with the date, budget, and rough idea. You tag at Get Your Guide for venue options, at OpenTable for restaurant availability, at Ticketmaster for after-party entertainment. Gemini pulls options from all 3 sources and formats them into a single proposal. That research used to take an hour across multiple sites. With this stack, it takes 10 minutes. You charge $300 for event coordination. The client sees a polished proposal that looks like it came from a full-service agency. The tools behind it cost you nothing. Most platforms in this space lock event planning features behind a paid plan. Here it is a free trigger. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. My course, The 435 Mistake, is linked in the description. normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a freelancer offering social media management to a local gym. The gym posts across Instagram, Facebook, and their website. The freelancer uses Gemini with the Wix integration to pull the latest blog post from the site, then prompts Gemini to reformat that content for Instagram captions and Facebook posts. Gemini generates the copy variations in seconds. The freelancer schedules them using free tools or posts them manually. That content creation loop used to require a social scheduling platform subscription. Most of those start at $15 to $20 a month. Here, the freelancer is running the content engine through Gemini and delivering the same output for free. The gym pays a $200 monthly retainer for content. The tool stack costs $0, that margin is pure profit. The home service integrations, Angie and Thumbtack, connect to lead generation in a way most people miss. A contractor wants to find homeowners in their area looking for kitchen remodels. Gemini pulls active project requests through the @Angie tag, filters by location and budget, formats the list of leads with contact info and project details. The contractor reaches out. That lead research used to require a paid Angie subscription or manual searching. Here it is automated through Gemini. The contractor pays you a setup fee and a monthly lead gen retainer. You built it on free infrastructure. Most CRM platforms with lead scraping features charge monthly. Your version runs for $0. Here's the thing almost nobody realizes about these integrations. The real value is not in any single app connection. It is in stacking them. You are not replacing one paid tool. You are replacing an entire workflow that used to span 5 platforms. Meeting transcription, website edits, event coordination, content creation, lead scraping, each one used to live inside a separate subscription. Now they all run through one interface. That is the cross-app intelligence framework in action. Gemini is not the product, it is the hub. Everything else plugs into it. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The Wix integration lets you update client websites in real time straight from your Gemini chat interface. Most web designers charge a maintenance retainer, $50 to $100 a month per client. You tell Gemini what needs to change. You tag at Wix. Gemini stages the changes and applies them to your site workspace in seconds. The client emails you a request at 2 p.m. You send them a screenshot of the updated page at 2:15. That responsiveness is what keeps clients paying monthly, and you are running it through a free tool. That is the capability most people miss when they first see this update. Once you have that dialed in, every website client becomes recurring revenue built on zero-cost infrastructure. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You wake up, check Gemini. It has already pulled overnight meeting notes from Otter, summarized your client emails from Gmail, drafted the follow-up tasks. You prompt it to update 3 client websites through Wix, schedule a client dinner through OpenTable, pull the week's lead list from Thumbtack. All of that happens in one interface. You are not switching tabs, you are not logging into 5 platforms, you are coordinating everything from Gemini. That is what the cross-app intelligence framework looks like when it is live. The subscription stack shrinks, the margin expands, the leverage multiplies. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.